factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this: a cubed plus 3a squared minus 4a. The very first step when factoring is to see if there's a common factor, and here we see that a is a common factor in all three terms, so we factor it out. We have a times a squared plus 3a minus 4. Now we look in here at this trinomial and see if we can factor it. If we can, it'll be a product of binomials, and the first term of each binomial will be a. We make sure we copy down our common factor, and then we're looking for two binomials of this form. In the second term, the product is -4 and the sum is 3. The numbers we're looking for are +4 and -1. If we would multiply these together, these two together, we would get this trinomial. Multiplying this trinomial times a, we would get the original polynomial. So this is the factorization of the polynomial.